Exploring Van Gogh, Treasures of the Amsterdam Museum. The Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam stands as a beacon of artistic brilliance and cultural history, attracting millions of visitors each year. Its significance transcends mere exhibitions. It is a deeply immersive journey into the life, struggles, and unparalleled genius of Vincent van Gogh. Through its remarkable collection, innovative curation, and cultural significance, the museum serves as both a tribute to Van Gogh's legacy and a profound exploration of human creativity. The genesis of the museum. Established in 1973, the Van Gogh Museum was born from a deep desire to preserve and celebrate the life's work of one of history's most influential artists. The collection was initially managed by Vincent van Gogh, the artist's nephew, who inherited the paintings from his uncle's younger brother, Theo. Recognizing the need to share these treasures with the world, Vincent collaborated with the Dutch government and various cultural organizations to create the museum. Today, it houses the largest collection of Van Gogh's works, encompassing over 200 paintings, 500 drawings, and 700 letters. Architectural marvel. The museum's architecture is a harmonious blend of innovation and tradition. The original building, designed by Gerrit Rietveld, reflects the functionalist style, emphasizing simplicity and natural light to enhance the art viewing experience. In 1999, Kishore Kurakaw's elliptical exhibition wing was added, creating a striking contrast with its modern curves and open spaces. The architecture itself tells a story, embodying the spirit of artistic evolution that Van Gogh represents. The core collection. Masterpieces on display. The museum's permanent collection offers an unparalleled insight into Van Gogh's artistic evolution. Iconic works such as The Potato Eaters, 1885, Sunflowers, 1889, and The Bedroom, 1888, form the cornerstone of this collection. Each piece reflects a different phase of Van Gogh's artistic journey, from the somber tones of his early works to the vibrant, emotional intensity of his later years. Lesser-known gems. Beyond the famous masterpieces, the museum also houses lesser-known but equally compelling works. Pieces like Wheatfield with Crows, 1890, and Almond Blossoms, 1890, reveal the depth of Van Gogh's emotional and psychological landscape. These works are accompanied by sketches and preliminary studies, offering visitors a glimpse into his creative process. Letters and personal artifacts. The museum's collection of letters between Vincent and Theo van Gogh provides an intimate look at the artist's thoughts, struggles, and aspirations. These letters are not merely historical documents, but poignant narratives that deepen our understanding of Van Gogh's genius and humanity. Temporary exhibitions. The Van Gogh Museum is renowned for its dynamic temporary exhibitions, which explore various facets of Van Gogh's life and art. These exhibitions often juxtapose his works with those of his contemporaries, such as Paul Gauguin, Claude Monet, and Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec. By placing Van Gogh within the broader context of 19th-century art, these exhibitions illuminate his influence on and interaction with the artistic movements of his time. One notable exhibition, Van Gogh and Japan, delved into the profound impact of Japanese art on Van Gogh's style. Through carefully curated displays, the exhibition highlighted how Van Gogh's exposure to Japanese prints inspired his use of bold colors, simplified forms, and innovative compositions. Interactive experiences. Multimedia guides. The museum's multimedia guides transform a traditional visit into an engaging, interactive experience. These guides use augmented reality to bring Van Gogh's works to life, overlaying animations and narrated stories that explain the context, techniques, and emotions behind each piece. Virtual reality. For those seeking an even deeper immersion, the museum offers virtual reality experiences that transport visitors into Van Gogh's world. These experiences recreate scenes from his life, allowing visitors to step into his paintings and explore the landscapes and interiors that inspired his art. Workshops and educational programs. The Van Gogh Museum places a strong emphasis on education, offering workshops and programs for visitors of all ages. From hands-on painting sessions to in-depth lectures on art history, these programs encourage active participation and foster a deeper appreciation for Van Gogh's work. Cultural and historical significance. a symbol of resilience. Van Gogh's story is one of resilience in the face of adversity. Despite facing rejection, poverty, and mental illness, he created an extraordinary body of work that continues to inspire millions. The museum's narrative emphasizes this aspect of his life, making it not just an art museum but a testament to human perseverance and creativity. A global icon, the Van Gogh Museum attracts visitors from all corners of the globe, making it a cultural melting pot. It serves as a bridge between cultures, showcasing how art transcends boundaries and connects people through shared experiences and emotions. Contribution to art history. The museum's research center is a hub for scholarly activity, contributing significantly to the field of art history. Its publications, collaborations, and conservation efforts ensure that Van Gogh's legacy is preserved and understood for generations to come. Visitor experience. Accessibility. The Van Gogh Museum is committed to inclusivity, offering services such as wheelchair access, sign language guides, and sensory-friendly hours for visitors with autism. Its website provides virtual tours and online resources, making its treasures accessible to a global audience. Amenities. The museum's amenities enhance the visitor experience, from a well-stocked gift shop featuring Van Gogh-inspired merchandise to a cozy cafe serving Dutch delicacies. These spaces provide moments of relaxation and reflection amid the immersive art journey. Tips for visitors. To make the most of a visit, it's advisable to book tickets in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons. Early mornings or late afternoons are typically less crowded, allowing for a more intimate experience with the art. The future of the Van Gogh Museum. As the Van Gogh Museum continues to evolve, it remains committed to innovation and accessibility. Upcoming projects include expanding its digital offerings, such as virtual tours and online exhibitions, to reach audiences who cannot visit in person. The museum also aims to deepen its sustainability efforts, integrating eco-friendly practices into its operations. Conclusion. The Van Gogh Museum is more than just a repository of art. It is a profound exploration of the human spirit. Through its unparalleled collection, innovative exhibitions, and commitment to education, the museum offers visitors a chance to connect with Van Gogh's genius on a deeply personal level. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of art to inspire, heal, and bring people together. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a curious traveler, a visit to the Van Gogh Museum is an unforgettable journey into the heart of creativity.